Readers, I am so proud of you. In your videos, you told me that I kept reading even though there weren't any words. So when I was talking about the trees, I should have stopped at the period. I can see the trees. But instead, I kept reading where there weren't any words. So when you see the period, you have to stop. If there aren't any words, you can't keep reading. And then on this page, you also told me that I kept reading when there weren't any words. It's supposed to be, I can see the birds. Okay. And then on the last page, I can see the park. There's where the period ends. And remember, a period means to stop. The periods tells your readers to stop because that's the end of the sentence. And we can't keep reading if there's not any more words. Readers, thank you so much for helping me find my mistakes. And now I know what to do.